I guess at its core, its root is a gardening metaphor back to the daffodils blooming. And so from there, I thought, well, I'm 5 books in and I don't have a 2 by 2 matrix. So, what author out there does not have a 2 by 2 matrix? But really, where it came from was again my somewhere between apprehension and disdain for employee engagement. And so let me back up into your into the answer with your question. Whether it's Gallup or Hayes, Aon Hewitt, Great Place to Work, whatever, we've been measuring engagement essentially in different ways as am I, as the employee, as the team member, motivated to stay? Are they motivated to say good things about the organization? Do they strive to go above and beyond the call of duty? Like, and so on and so forth. So there's this, again, different sense, but amalgam of questions that then get correlated into a number. And you are maybe like highly engaged, slightly engaged, not engaged, chronically disengaged, setting the building on fire. And and my point is, Zoe, that that's wrong, because then what the executives turn to is like, oh, we've only got 48% of our people engaged. Okay, what does that mean? Well, they're going to send a tiger team out and we're going to now try and get our engagement scores up to 50%. Great. What does that mean? And so employee engagement is a reflection in time about how you are feeling. And what we don't do in employee engagement well enough, some do it slightly, but certainly not well enough, is to ask the questions about work and life. And life being the development of me, a human being, and its correlation into the work and thus to me.